Hello and welcome to DocuProjects CRM. This quick walkthrough will help you understand how the system works and how to navigate through the platform effectively. When you log in for the first time, the first screen you'll see is the dashboard. Since your workspace is newly created, the dashboard may initially appear empty, and that's completely normal. On the left side, you'll find the main navigation menu. At the top, you'll also notice your available company credits. These free credits are allocated to your organization during setup and are shared across your company users. As credits are utilized, the balance will automatically update. Now, let's understand the recommended workflow inside DocuProjects. The system is designed in a simple and organized flow. Leads to deals and quotes to tasks, to invoices to receivables, to reports. Let's start with CRM. Under CRM, you can import leads or manually create leads. Leads are basically your customers, prospects, or companies that your sales team will manage inside the system. Next, you have deals and quotes. This is where your opportunities are managed. You can create deals, prepare quotations, and even generate multi-currency quotes based on your customer requirements. Tasks are designed to help teams stay organized. Tasks can work independently, or they can be linked directly to a deal. You can assign tasks to yourself or to other team members for better collaboration and follow-up management. Invoices and receivables are mainly used by finance teams or administrators, depending on your organization's access permissions. Invoices allow authorized users to generate invoices, while receivables help track pending payments, paid invoices, and outstanding revenue. The Reports Hub gives you quick insights into your organization's sales activities, revenue tracking, and operational performance through simple and easy-to-read reports. Under Settings, administrators can manage workspace configuration, user access, lead transfers, and other organizational controls. You'll also notice that many screens inside DocuProjects include built-in user guides and video tutorials to help you learn each module easily. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find your Profile section. Here, you can upload your profile picture, change your password, and even send requests or messages directly to your administrator, such as account transfer requests or credit-related requests. At the top right corner, you'll see notifications for pending tasks and updates, support access for tutorials and assistance, reward or credit-related announcements, and the Buy Credits option for additional usage credits. DocuProjects is designed to be simple, user-friendly, and easy to adopt for growing teams. The best way to use the system is to follow the workflow step by step. Start with leads, move to deals and quotes, manage tasks, and then continue to invoices and receivables. Thank you for choosing the DocuProjects CRM, and we hope you have a smooth and productive experience using the platform.